Thank you. Very unexpected.
Ay, hello po. Kayo na po si Ma'am Bernadette Hernandez. Ma'am, may delivery lang po ma'am sa inyo. Nasa sa box po. Pa-receive na lang po ako, ma'am. Apo. Nandito po. Dito po inilagay po sa trunk. Surprise! Happy birthday, ma'am! Ayan, so anyways ma'am, papasahin ko lang po yung message para po sa inyo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best in life. And ma'am, ngayon pong alam niyo naman po kung sino po ang nagpadala po ng surprise ngayon. Ano po ba ang gusto niyo pong sabihin para po sa kanya? Kasi na-receive niyo na po yung kanya pong birthday surprise. Ngayon po 28th birthday mo, ma'am.
Sa lahat, thank you. Very unexpected. Thank you.
Ayan, so very unexpected po talaga ma'am ang surprise na yan para po sa inyo. Pero ma'am, once again po, binabati po namin kayo ng happy birthday! Ayan, so Miss Bernadette, dahil 28th birthday mo ma'am, maawitan ka po namin ng happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, sabay-sabay po tayo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan, Miss Bernadette, make a wish po on your 28th birthday and blow your candle, ma'am. Ayan, so Miss Bernadette, once again po, happy birthday! Ayan, so Miss Bernadette, kami lang po ay magpapakilala. Kami po ang ring surprise delivery all the way from Barangay Calicanto, Salud, Batangas. And binabati ka po namin, ma'am, ng happy birthday!